Hey guys, today we're going to be making smoothie bowls. So the smoothie bowls that I make, it's just bananas, blueberries, and strawberries, and then I add a little almond milk. So let's get started. So as you can see, I freeze my fruit before I put them in my smoothies just because it makes it more of a thick consistency. So we're just going to want to put about a whole banana in. I don't know how much this is because they're split up. And then a few strawberries and blueberries. And then you're just gonna wanna fill the line up to about a quarter of the way with almond milk. So now that I've finished mixing it and I put it in a bowl, I can add any toppings I want. I usually just add these blueberries and then a type of granola. I have oats and honey granola, but it doesn't really matter. And then the finished product looks something like this.